Hello, it's me. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to play Hello by Adele. This is a really simple song to learn. Just make sure that your ukulele is tuned before we get started, and let's go. Our first chord switch is from E minor to G, right? We've got E minor, then I'm laying the ukulele down on my index finger so that I can go to G. If you have a strap, this is easier. Now, I would like for you to think 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You're going to do 1 and 2 is E minor, and on the and after 2 is the G. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, ready, go. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3 more times, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 more times. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 last time. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm going to do this throughout the video. I'm just going to have us repeat little patterns so that we can play the song by the end of this tutorial. The next chord switch is from D to C. Now I'm doing D with my middle ring and pinky, since the pinky is a smaller finger and I can squeeze more fingers there. But I do have friends who hold down 2 strings with the middle and then the ring finger holds one of them. That doesn't work as well for me, but find a D chord that works for you. The switch from D to C is the same rhythm as the first one. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 4 times, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 more times, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 more times, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and last time, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alrighty, next we're going to do something that I call shadow playing. Shadow playing means we're not going to strum. We're just going to do the fingerboard hand switching in time. So I would like for you to put all 4 of those chords together. We're going to count and switch. So don't strum and don't cheat. I know if you're cheating, okay? So put the hand, just hold your instrument, hold the ukulele. Hold it. All right. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So both E minor and D are on beat 1. Okay, I forgot to say that. Bad teacher. Here we go. 1, 2, you got this. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 more times. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. 1, 2 again. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Hopefully the repetitions are helping you to not be staring at your instrument. So unfold your body. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, face forward. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you feel like we're spending a lot of time on just these 4 chords in the beginning, don't worry, this repeats throughout the whole song. So we're really learning 90% of the song right now. Now we're ready to add the strumming, so let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, you got this, breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 again, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 again, go. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 last time, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so you just finished the intro and the verse. Let's add a little bit of singing just for fun, and then we'll go to the next part. Here we go. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything They say time's supposed to heal you. I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about we used to be. We were younger and free. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, the next part is the pre-chorus, and we have similar rhythm but one new chord. So we've got there's such a difference. So E minor to D, but same rhythm, 1 and 2 for the E minor, and the and 3 and 4 and for the D. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the one challenging chord in the song, I mean, it is challenging to do E minor, I guess, switching to and from it, but the really challenging chord in this song is going to be B minor. And it's challenging. Okay, so if you have not yet mastered bar chords, avoiding them is not going to help. You've been called out. Now, if you would like to master them, I recommend that you start kind of at the 5th, even the 7th fret, and try it there. And then work your way back and back till you land where you want to be. Now, if you absolutely can't do it, then what you can do is, instead of playing in GCEA, play only CEA. And you'll still have a B minor sound. So that is the way you can cheat. You can strum it, or you can pick it with your fingers, index, middle, ring, or even thumb, index, middle. Put one on each string and you've got it. So there's different ways to cheat it. Don't let one chord scare you from doing a song. So that part goes, there's such a difference between us. Same rhythm that we've been doing from before. Now the only time the rhythm changes is and a million times. So we've got E minor to D is the same, and then C on 4. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, again, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, so let's try that bridge, the chorus. My bad. Chorus. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I went a little too fast. Tip: once you've done B minor, because you have the index and the ring finger there, use your middle for that C chord. Look up real quick. Look up. So I'm a B minor. Look up. I'm gonna use that middle for the C. Okay, so that's a really more comfortable switch. So let's try that again. I'll count us slower because I got too excited. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Difference, 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, let's try the chorus. I'm gonna sing it. I'm not a singer, but I know that it's easier to follow when you have a reference point like voice. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times. And it continues, but you already know this part. After that, we go to verse 2, which has the same patterns as verse 1. So we're good there. We know that. And then we have another pre-chorus, same as the one that we just learned. And then a bridge. The bridge is E minor, C, D, G. E minor, C, D, G. So the rhythm is the same as what we've been learning, but the order of the chords is a little different. but you got it. Okay, so let's take a little break. I would like to mention the ukulele that I'm playing today. This is the all solid mahogany instrument from Enya Music. I have the one that is in a matte blue finish, but they also have it in a natural wood satin finish in case you're looking for something new and wonderful. This one has pre-installed strap buttons and it comes with a gig bag and a lot of really great accessories, including a capo. So, oh, and I forgot to mention, for this song, if you want to sound exactly like Adele, you put the capo on the first fret, and if you don't have one, well, here's the ukulele that comes with one. As I'm teaching this, I have the baby monitor on for my daughter because she's sleeping. So I'm trying not to be very loud. Hopefully this microphone is picking up my voice. Okay, just to wrap everything up and to kind of play together one last time, let's do the intro and the verse. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, get in the mood, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say time's supposed to heal you, and done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about we used to be. We were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt for the world felt around. Such a difference between us and a million miles. Now I have to mention, I have a Patreon community where I share all of my printables, and I also do live lessons via Zoom. Right now we're learning Stairway to Heaven, and we're also learning the intro to Sweet Child of Mine. We do really fun things over there, so I recommend you join. I also share vlogs about my family and life in general. She's moving. The printable for this song and hundreds of others are already there waiting for you. And when you join Patreon, you get access to everything that I've ever posted. So it's not like you join this month and you only get this month's printables. No. You join this month and you get all the printables that I've posted for years. So it's a wealth and abundance of resources for you to learn ukulele. I will add the link here on the screen and down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really hope that you'll subscribe and come back and learn other songs here in this ukulele classroom. Take care. Ciao.